Lace fabric has been an essential component of couture fashion for centuries. The delicate, intricate patterns and textures of lace make it an ideal material for creating stunning, ethereal designs that are both elegant and refined. Lace USA, a company that specializes in the production of high-quality lace fabrics, is at the forefront of this trend, offering designers access to the finest lace fabrics in the world. The importance of lace fabric in couture fashion cannot be overstated. Its unique properties allow designers to create garments that are truly one of a kind. From wedding dresses to evening gowns, lace can add texture, dimension, and depth to a garment, creating a sense of movement and lightness that is simply unmatched by other materials. One of the most significant advantages of lace fabric is its versatility. It can be used in many different ways to create a wide range of effects, from delicate and understated to bold and daring. Whether used as an overlay or as a standalone fabric, lace has the power to transform a garment and elevate it to the level of high fashion. At Lace USA, designers have access to a wide range of lace fabrics, each made using the finest materials and the most advanced techniques. The company's commitment to quality ensures that every piece is of the highest standard, with intricate patterns and delicate details that require careful handling and attention to detail. Whether it's creating a delicate veil for a bride or a daring evening gown for a red carpet event, lace fabric has the power to bring a garment to life in ways that no other material can. With Lace USA's collection of high-quality lace fabrics, designers have access to the best materials in the world, enabling them to create designs that are both beautiful and unique. In conclusion, lace fabric is an essential part of couture fashion, and Lace USA is a leading provider of high-quality lace fabrics for designers around the world. With its delicate patterns and intricate details, lace has the power to transform a garment and elevate it to the level of high fashion. So whether you're a designer, a bride, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of lace, Lace USA is the perfect choice for all your lace fabric needs.
Good vibes all the time, be who you are, ooh la la. You know you're one of a kind. We're doing this in style.